Farm work again, guys. Our rubber, guys, so it's full of latex. Hopefully it won't rain. This because if it will rain and it's not yet hard like this, it will wash out. So the reason why we cut this small trees, it is because they are the competitor of the nutrients that supposedly the rubber tree absorb. So there are some trees that they are not compatible and they should not grow in one place with the rubber tree, especially this kind of trees, as well as the fig tree. It is because they are consuming a lot of nutrients. So instead of the nutrients will directly goes through the rubber plant, so it was interrupted or divided or whatsoever. So that's why we are clearing some trees. So that's why. So let's continue this until my foot is not itching, because I had my tooth extraction a few days ago. It's really hot, guys. Very, very hot. Hot like you. I have to drink water. Supposedly I'm on my way go home. Look at my bag here. But it just came on my mind, since I have still enough, not enough time, I have time to clean up. So yeah, I did. This is really old, guys. Like, I guess like 5 years. So let's get back. What time is it? Oh, it's 12 noon, 12:43. So I have to finish not all of this part only, this block. So the next day I will do the rest. So this is my spare time to clean this, because if we are going to pay for a worker to do this, it costs a lot. Like, it costs 1,000, like 5,000 pesos to clean all over this area, just to cut the trees. So in this kind of situation, that trees should be cut off, because as I've mentioned, they are competing the nutrients. So yeah, that's it, and thank you so much. I keep watching surround me, or sa palibot. It is because there is a lot of king cobra here, so it's very dangerous. So keep watching, okay? So ayan, thank you so much for watching also, because I also watch wildlife around. Bye.